officers, Danielle
Damianov.
with Movement Mortgage. Over the years, I've worked with Danielle on many deals. She's helped my clients with their unique situations, and it seems like every situation is unique.
Every situation is unique.
For a lot of buyers, the mortgage process can seem very scary and intimidating.
Mm-hmm.
But one of the things I love about you is that you have a can-do attitude mixed with a very positive energy that's contagious. And so that makes you stand out in the industry.
Oh, thank you.
But it also makes people really comfortable with you, which is, kind of a sigh of relief when I'm sending people over.
Oh,
so I love
that.
it. So how did you get into the mortgage industry?
Oh my gosh, well, I graduated in 2001 from Bentley University in Boston,
Okay.
moved to Florida to escape the cold, and got started right away in mortgage with AmeriQuest. I was a loan officer. I moved up to processing, and then I was a junior underwriter.
Oh, really? So I didn't realize you had the underwriting.
Yeah,
Okay.
junior.
Okay.
But then I opened up a mortgage and real estate company here in Fort Myers.
Okay.
And did that from 2005 until 2008. 2008, I went back into full-time real estate. In 2016, got back into mortgage, which was actually my true love.
Okay.
I absolutely love helping people get their financing.
Yes.
So
awesome. So what made you choose Movement Mortgage, and what makes it different? Because it does tend to be different than a traditional Bank of America loans.
absolutely. So we work a little bit, well, not a little bit, a lot differently than every other lender out there. We have upfront underwriting, and our upfront underwriting is approved in 6 hours. In fact, I got a loan from submission to underwriting last Friday in 1 hour and 40 minutes.
Wow. So how fast, what is the fastest amount of time you can close in if everyone has their documents in order?
8 days.
Wow.
Yes. So
That's
for
really fast.
Really fast. So for TRID, we need 8 days.
Okay.
And that's why, we say 8 days. I've had loans clear to close in 4. From submission to clear to close, yeah. So we basically take the whole mortgage process that a lot of lenders do towards the end, and we move everything to the front. So when I first meet with my clients, I get everything, all of their income, their assets, everything. And we submit it directly to underwriting. So that way, if it's a buyer, when you put them in the car, they're fully approved through underwriting. There's no guesses. Yes. So they can they know that exactly what they're qualified for.
So does Movement hold on to the mortgages, or do they sell them?
Great question. We're a direct lender to Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac. So we sell directly to Fannie Mae, Freddie Mac. Someone else does the servicing of it.
Okay.
So we don't collect the monthly payments, but we do sell the loan. Everything stays the same.
Okay.
Typically, most lenders do. So even if they close with a Bank of America or a Wells Fargo, a lot of times they're going to get sold, maybe not right away, but 2, 3, 4 years down the road anyways.
Okay. So, but at initial closing, it's you guys sending over the money and doing the initial closing?
Yes.
Okay.
Yep. We're not a mortgage broker where we shop it to different lenders to see who's going to take it. We close in our own name.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what are some things that first-time home buyers should know?
Okay, so
which we've had a few.
We've had a few. We've had, and I was a first-time home buyer at one point as well.
Right. Everyone is.
So I know exactly how it is, and I try to let them know, how great home ownership is. I mean, it's amazing, and I've had such great experience with it. I know it can definitely be very scary in the beginning, but I try to make it as stress-free as possible. We have some great first-time home buyer programs. One thing that's interesting is a first-time home buyer does not necessarily mean somebody that's never owned a home before.
Oh, interesting.
So they just could not have owned a home in the past 3 years.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Wow. Okay.
Yep. So if they owned a home 6 years ago, they're now considered first-time home buyer. If they haven't owned in the past 3 years. We have some great programs as little as 3% down. We have some programs with reduced interest rates, reduced mortgage insurance for them.
Okay.
So we have amazing programs. And, I know it can be scary. They don't really know what to ask.
Right.
But I let them know it's going to be very simple. We're going to walk you through the process, and just explain everything to you every step of the way.
Okay, great.